If you're worried about toxins from non-stick air fryers, then this Kilig Nexa Core air fryer may be the right choice for you. It uses a borosilicate glass basket instead of a non-stick Teflon coated one. So it is better for your health and easier to maintain as well. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that Kilig gave me access to the product to test. But like always, the review, the pros and cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. The Kilig Nexa Core air fryer uses a borosilicate glass for the basket, which is heat safe and can handle rapid temperature changes easily without cracking. There is no non-stick coating and no concerns about damage or degradation from maintenance issues. In addition, you can also see your food cooking through the transparent basket. So no more guessing or constantly checking whether your food is cooked, golden or crispy. There is also no need to transfer the food to another container. This glass basket also doubles up as a serving dish. Now let's say we're making marinated paneer tikka. To get the best outcome, you have to cook it at a lower temperature first to let the marinade set in and then increase the heat to get a charred finish. With the Step Chef mode, we can now program both the steps in the app. 120 degrees for 8 minutes, then 180 degrees for 5 minutes. There is no need to wait around to adjust the settings or to change the temperature. For someone who wants hands-free cooking without the constant monitoring, this feature alone justifies the investment in this air fryer. Do we really need an app for an air fryer? Maybe not. Can we make use of the convenience? Definitely yes. In addition to common features like operating the air fryer remotely and having a catalog of recipes, this Kilig air fryer can save settings of recipes that you have perfected. If you have perfected your samosa recipe at let's say 170 degrees for 12 minutes, the app remembers it the next time you're cooking samosas. Unlike most air fryers and similar to OTG ovens, the Kilig Nexa Core has a top and bottom heating element, which helps to get consistent cooking and browning of the entire food in the basket. It has a 1800 watt motor and a high-speed fan to circulate hot air at 2500 RPM. So it is better and faster cooking than most other air fryers. The temperature ranges from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius and the timer adjusts from 1 to 60 minutes to give flexibility for both quick snacks and slow roasted or slow cooked dishes. Now let's talk about the build quality and design. This is a 4-liter air fryer, so ideal for small to medium-sized families up to 3 people. It is compact enough to not take up too much space on the countertop. The build looks premium and blends very nicely into modern kitchens. This is also a digital smart air fryer. It has 8 one-touch presets designed for commonly cooked Indian and global dishes, including fries, frozen snacks, samosas, paneer tikka, kebab, chicken, fish, and cake. In addition, it also has a DIY mode that lets you customize and save your own settings for those commonly cooked items in your air fryer. Now, this glass air fryer genuinely solves the concern of using non-stick coating baskets in air fryers without compromising on performance. If you are someone who values convenience and is health conscious, this air fryer is the right choice for you. At around 8,000, it is not the cheapest air fryer in the market, but the combination of non-stick free cooking, easy cleaning, safety features like auto shutoff and auto heat protection, along with smart automation, makes it a valuable addition into your kitchen. This air fryer is from the brand Kilig, a new entrant into the premium home appliances space with portable blenders, ice makers, and now air fryers in their catalog. After seeing the performance of this air fryer, I cannot wait to try their other products as well. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.